Hello, kids! Today we are going to read a short story entitled The Tricycle Man. Nick is a tricycle man. He waits for riders every morning. Please take me to the bus station, says Mr. Perez. Please take me to the market, says Mrs. Pardo. Please take us to school, say Mike and Chris. But I can take only one of you, says Nick to the children. Oh, I can sit behind you, Nick, says Mr. Perez. Chris or Mike can take my seat. Thank you, Mr. Perez, say Mike and Chris. Questions. Number 1. Who is the tricycle man? A. Mike. B. Nick. C. Mr. Perez. You're right. The answer is B. Nick. Number 2. What was Nick's problem? A. There was a lot of traffic. B. He could not take the children to school. C. There was only one seat for either Chris or Mike. Correct. The answer is C. There was only one seat for either Chris or Mike. Number 3. How many riders did the tricycle man have? A. 2. B. 4. C. 3. That's right. The answer is C. 3. Number 4. Who helped solve Nick's problem? A. Mr. Perez. B. Mrs. Pardo. Or letter C. Another tricycle driver. Correct. The answer is A. Mr. Perez. Number 5. Which word describes Mr. Perez? A. Kind. B. Strict. C. Proud. Very good. The answer is A. Kind. Number 6. Which happened last? A. Mr. Perez told Nick to take him to the bus station. B. Mrs. Pardo told Nick to take her to the market. C. Chris and Mike told Nick to take them to school. Very good. The answer is C. Chris and Mike told Nick to take them to school. Good job, kids.